What's going on, guys? My TTG fam, we're in full effect tonight, guys. What's going on, everybody? What's up, guys? All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the TTG live stream, guys. We are streaming live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. I want to welcome each and every single one of you joining us across all these multiple channels. We got a really nice live stream in store for you all tonight because what we're going to be talking about here tonight on this live stream is how to identify strong support. Okay, that is going to be the basis of this live stream is how to identify strong support. Okay, there is very specific technical analysis that I'm going to cover with you on this live stream, which focuses on multiple kind of almost like a checklist. Okay, almost like a checklist when it comes to determining, am I dealing with a strong support level? Is it a strong enough support level that I can trust to buy in front of? Or is this something that I maybe need to stay away from? Or do I need to wait for a little bit more confirmation? Confirmation is something that a lot of traders struggle with. You hear a lot of people talk about all the time, oh, wait for confirmation. What the hell does that mean? What does wait for confirmation mean? And there's a very thin line between confirmation and it's too late, you missed your opportunity. There's a very, very thin line when we talk about that specific topic. That is what we're going to cover tonight on this live stream. And I'm going to show you how you could identify strong support that you can buy in front of, support that you can trust. Because I use this exact same style and strategy in identifying strong support today in NNOX, and it was an absolute beauty of a trade. $4 a share on my final take profit on NNOX, a 13% gain on a $40 stock is a big move. Okay, guys, for a mid-cap stock like NNOX. NNOX had a real big day on Friday. Okay, some people in chat traded it Friday, gave us a really beautiful big extension follow-through breakout day. And today we got further upside, but it all goes back to identifying strong support is what gave me the key to pull the trigger when I did, as early as I did, and capitalize on basically the entire move that the stock made. I mean, when you look at our entry to our final take profit, we almost damn near caught that entire move on NNOX. Was an absolute thing of beauty, was a beautiful way to start the day, but also a beautiful way to start the week. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about. If you guys are brand new to the channel, you are in luck because I'm going to answer a question that a lot of people struggle with, which is, what is confirmation? How do I know a support level is strong? How do I know I can buy in front of it? I'm going to show you and teach you how you can identify strong support levels so that you can start to profit from bounce moves off of those support levels, and you can start to trust, okay, I can buy in front of this level. So if you're brand new, you guys are in luck. What we're going to do right now, if you are brand new, I want you to subscribe to the channel. This is your very first time here. I constantly do live streams, live Q&As. I post other educational videos on stock trading, options trading, day trading, swing trading. I'm constantly giving out a horde of a bevy, okay, of free educational content when it comes to day trading and swing trading, stocks and options. So you guys want to make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, make sure you guys never miss out on one of these streams. Make sure you're always notified whenever I do go live, because I'm always giving away really, really good educational info, some real golden nuggets, some really high quality educational stuff, and it's all completely, totally free. So you guys want to make sure that you're always aware whenever I do go live, okay? And then, of course, share this live stream on your own social media channels. Click that share button, guys. Let's get as many traders in here as we can so we can help as many traders as we can so you guys can become as profitable and help everyone reach their goals of consistent profitability. That's the goal, right? When you're trading, you want consistent profitability. Okay, and that's what we're going to hear, and we're going to talk about a major part of that and a major technical analysis lesson on NNOX that can help you guys achieve exactly that. So, welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. What I'm going to do here tonight, guys, I'm going to start this live stream off same way I start off every live stream, and that is with a, you guessed it, blanket Q&A. Guys, I'm going to spend about 20, 30 minutes, give some time for people to log on to the live stream, and then we're going to dive into the educational part of this live stream, which is how to identify strong support so you know when you can buy in front of it and you guys can profit from all of these levels that, you know, traders are looking at, and you guys can be able to trust those levels because there was a beautiful one in NNOX today. So guys, fire away for the next 20, 30 minutes. The floor is yours. Go ahead, guys. Ask me questions, whatever you guys want to talk to me about. Fire away. I am at your disposal. I'm here for you. Shoot, guys. Let's go. Let's get things started. Yes, Sarah. No, I recommend... Listen, if you guys are trying to trade while you're at work and you're working a traditional 9 to 5, guys, only try to trade if you are able to focus. You know, if you know that you have a really busy day at work, I highly recommend you just do not trade. If you can't really focus. If you can't really focus on trading, I just highly recommend that you just don't trade, period. Okay? Because if you're really busy at work and you're trying to trade at the same time, one of two things is going to happen. Either your work is going to suffer, which isn't good, right? You don't want to get in trouble at work, or your trading is going to suffer. You guys don't want to lose money. So I recommend to people, especially if you're an active day trader, I would just say, just leave it alone. If you guys are not able to focus on what it is that you're trading, I would say just leave it alone. You're better off not trading than trying to trade half-assed. Okay. Now, if you're a little bit of a swing trader, that's different. If you're a swing trader, but Sarah, from your comment or your question, I know Sarah, I know you're in chat, so I know talking about more of a swing trade type of, more of a day trade type of style. The market's always open tomorrow. You guys don't have to feel like today's the day that I have to jump in. Today's the day that I have to. Today's the day that I'm going to change my life on one trade today. I mean, the market's always open tomorrow. You don't have to put that pressure on yourself. If you are busy with work, just focus on work and come back to trading at a different time. Yes, Kathy Corson says, can you share your VWAP settings? Kathy, my VWAP settings are 0, 0, day. Okay, 0, 0, day is my VWAP setting. Okay, 0, 0, day. I also do not include pre-market data in my VWAP. Okay. Bow and Arrow from Twitter says, give me some clues on how to know something is going to go up. Stick around on the live stream. I'm going to talk to you about that. On this live stream, we're going to talk about how to identify strong support levels. So I will be going over that with you. What's my view on WWR tomorrow? It's definitely on watch. WWR had a nice little squeeze move late in the day. It's definitely on watch tomorrow. OG Khan wants to know if I trade E-mini futures or futures in general. If you don't, what's the reason, and would you recommend it or not? I do recommend it. Trading futures is excellent. You can get a lot of leverage on futures as well. Like every tick is like $10 or whatever it is per contract. So you can make a lot of money trading futures. I rarely trade futures, not for any reason other than I did not trade futures when I worked at the hedge fund. So I didn't learn on futures. I learned on stocks, and I also traded options. And that's just where I have found my home over the last 16 years of my trading career. It's not for any reason other than I focus on stocks and options. I don't really have any other explanation in that. It's not that I don't recommend futures. I do recommend futures. Futures are a fantastic vehicle to trade. You guys can definitely trade them if you want. You've got to be able to, like, I trade a lot of stuff, guys. I trade small caps, mid caps, large caps, options, ETFs. I trade a lot of stuff, so it's like at some point I've got to like focus. I have to focus on something. So, I've just, over the years, I've just become more comfortable with stocks, options, and ETFs. What do I think about NNOX? Young Zeep, I traded NNOX today. We're going to talk about NNOX later in this live stream, so you're going to definitely want to stick around. You guys want to, we're going to go over how to identify strong support on NNOX. We're going to review my trade on NNOX. I caught $4 a share, my final take profit, which is a beautiful thing. Got some really good follow through, some really good extension. My final profit target was reached. Actually took profits 4 times on NNOX. Was just an absolutely beautiful trade. We're going to talk about it. Taj Mikolo says, how come you don't use physical stops? I prefer mental stops. When I have an area that I'm looking for support. When a stock reaches that area, okay, I want to see how the stock reacts once that area is reached. I prefer that rather than me just getting stopped out of a position on one particular price. I like that better. Okay, I like that better because it's tough when you set an actual physical stop because sometimes you can be a penny or two off. When I say there's support level at $10, and the stock gets to $9.98, I'm not immediately exiting that position. I'm waiting to see how does the stock react at $10. Does it drop to $9.95 and pop right back to $10.10? That's support at $10. That shows me the support level is still intact, and I'll usually give it a second or two to see how it reacts once that support level is reached. But I have the discipline to exit that trade if that level is violated and if that level does not hold. If that level does not hold, I have the discipline to get out of it. If you do not have the mental discipline to actually stick to a mental stop loss, you must use physical stops. If you say, okay, my stop loss is $10 and the stock gets to 10, gets to 9.90, 9.95, then it gets to 9.90 and you're still not out of the trade, you're just sitting there. Now it's 9.85, now it's 9.80, now it's 9.75. If you are still sitting there like a deer in headlights, then you cannot use mental stops. You have to be disciplined enough to stick to the mental stop and exit when that stop loss is breached. Okay, so I use mental stops. Most professional traders will use that are managing actively, that are actively trading, will use mental stops because of that specific reason. I don't want to get stopped out on a quick little jig. I want to get stopped out if a level is clearly broken. So I'll give it a couple of seconds. But again, you have to make sure that you have the discipline to actually stick to that mental stop. Otherwise, you've got to use hard stops. Raz69 says, I focus on the most active stocks and I peel profits there. What do you think about that strategy? I mean, that's not really, I mean, you didn't really go into too much detail about your strategy. But yeah, I mean, focusing on the stocks that are hot, I mean, you're a small cap trader, then obviously focusing on the stocks that are hot on the day, and that's where your attention should be. If you're a small cap trader, then yes, that is, I mean, that's what I do when I trade small caps. When I trade small caps, I trade whatever's hot that day. If you're a large cap trader, you usually have like a basket or a bundle of stocks that you focus on every day. Like if you're a large cap trader, you might trade Apple, Facebook, Tesla, AMD, Nvidia, Zoom, Peloton. Like you might trade all of those stocks every day, Roku, but if you're a small cap trader, you're not trading the same stocks every day. You're trading whatever's in play. Yo, Angel Torres, what's up, bro? Kenneth says, Mike, what was the market pullback percentage you look for when adding to your long-term portfolio again? How often does it happen in your experience where you get a significant pullback to add once a year? I will usually look anything more than 10 to 15% is where I'll start to look to start to add in my long-term portfolio, about 10 to 15%. So whenever the markets pull back 10 to 15% overall, I'll look to start to add to my long-term portfolios. I've done that for the last 12 years. It's worked out really well for me. And then whenever we get moments where the market pulls in significantly, like 2008, December of 2018, 2015 or 16, there was a pretty big pullback too. And then obviously March. So whenever I get big pullbacks like that, 25, 30%, I always add chunks. I add chunks. Hey, thanks, Glenny. It's just a new light. It's just a new light. Nice, Mike Doyle. Nice job, man. Mike Doyle says, Mike, thanks for CTIC on your watch list today. I made my first green day since starting trading just 1 week ago. Mike, awesome, man. Awesome. Take things nice and slow, Mike. Beautiful. Ooh, Taj says, Mike, what do you consider your trading edge to be? That's a really good question. And TTG members, what I'll do right now is I'll actually ask my TTG family members. If you are a member of True Trading Group, I actually want you to type in chat right now what you think my biggest strengths are as a trader, like what my advantage is. I want to know, and I'm sure people that are not TTG members would probably like to know what members think my strengths are. And then I'll tell you guys what I think my strengths are, because one of the things that I do, I think better than most traders, is my risk management, I think, is unmatched. I think that I have some of the best risk management that I've seen. It was not always that way. It's something that took me a long time to be able to really get. It is very, very, very rare that you ever see me get really hurt on a trade. And that's because of my risk management. My risk management, I think, is above, far above average. And I think I have really good patience. I'd say those are my two biggest strengths as a trader. My patience, not only my patience to allow for a stock the time that it needs to work itself through, but the patience to be selective with the stocks that I'm going after. I teach all my teaching members to be snipers, okay, not machine gunners. Machine gunners, they run out there and they'll fire 1,000 rounds and they'll hit their target maybe 4 or 5 times. Okay, I don't teach my teaching members to be machine gunners. Machine gunners will just fire at every shot that they get. Okay, they don't really care about the quality of the shot. They just take the shot. A sniper could wait hours, days, weeks to get the perfect shot. But the accuracy of a sniper is going to be extremely high. The accuracy of a machine gunner is going to be extremely low. Now, I teach my members to be snipers. I myself am a sniper, and this is where I think my patience really comes into play. A busy day for me is 5 or 6 trades. 5 or 6 trades is a busy, busy day for me. An average day is probably around 3 trades, 3 to 4 trades, I'd say would probably be a normal day. And a slow day would be 0, 1, maybe 2 trades would be a slower day. You guys won't see me making 15, 20 trades throughout the course of a day. I am very patient. I wait for A+ setups. I wait for my setups. I don't allow myself to get sucked into FOMO. I don't allow myself to get sucked into poor quality setups just because I'm bored. I think that my discipline and my my patience, so my discipline meaning like my risk management and my patience, I think are my biggest strengths as a trader. I wasn't even reading what some of the members were saying because I was the chat was going by too quickly and I was busy answering the question. But I'm curious if I'm sure my TGD members were probably saying something really similar. All right, let's see. Oh, nice. I'm just reading what some of you guys, I'm just reading what some of you were saying. Here, wait for the right setup, waiting for the right setup, putting together a trade plan, risk management, mental game. I think Mike's great at sticking to his game plan. He's careful and cares about others' success. I had no patience at all, and you taught me that. Thank you. You wait for pullbacks into support and confirmation from volume, and you're as patient as a monk, an OG sniper. Oh, man. You guys are funny, man. You guys are awesome. Mike is always on point. He never rushes into a trade. Ah, Lonnie, my boy, bro. Lonnie and I, we just had a one-on-one today. Excellent one-on-one. Lonnie just says, great one-on-one today, Mike. Thank you again for your time. Lonnie, it was my pleasure, bro. I really enjoyed our call today. Oh my God, Judy, I forgot the Yankees are on tonight. Oh my God, Judy, keep me updated. Judy, keep me updated. Keep sending me score updates. Yankees are up 2-1. Okay. Judy, you're my official Yankee updater. Nice. Laura Hope says, you taught me patience. Beautiful. Jorge Romero says, do you think WWR can keep going? Let's take a look at it. Let's look at WWR. I didn't even see. WWR today, it had some action going into the bell, going into the close. It traded a little bit lower after hours. I mean, I don't really think we can get through $10. $10 is a key resistance level on WWR. If you guys are long this thing, I mean, I would be taking profits in front of $10. I think $10 is a nasty resistance level here. You see resistance here back at the end of 2018, and then again beginning 2019, and then middle 2019. You'll see resistance at $10. If it gets through 10, it has room to 14. So there is a lot of room left. There's a lot of kick left in this thing if it can get through 10, but I just don't think it's going to be able to get through 10. Guys, do not forget, a couple weeks ago, this stock was at $1.50. Okay, this stock was at $1.50, and you see the move that it's made. I mean, this is a pretty extended move. Okay, this is a pretty extended move, and you're extended right into a key resistance level. So I would just be a little careful, guys. Okay, I'd be a little careful there with that WWR at that $10 level. But if it can get through 10, which, I don't necessarily think we're going to, but you never know. I mean, short squeezes always go further than anyone expects them to. That's the whole point of the short squeeze. But I think $10 is going to be tough. But if it gets through 10, you could be looking at 14. Guys, believe me, if WWR is above 10, trust me, I'll be trading it. If it's above 10, I'll be trading it. Nice job, Greg. Greg says, great trade with WWR. Greg, nice job, man. Greg Vermeulen. Markel Nelson says, Mike will keep you from losing your whole portfolio. Iqbal says, hey, Mike, I'm in the trial. How do I get into the daily chat? Iqbal, as soon as you log into your member dashboard with your username and password, okay, you'll see a blue tab. It says trading chat room. You just click on that tab, takes you right into the chat room. Chat room opens at 7:30 a.m., closes at 6:30 p.m. Nice, Solita. Solita says, today was my first day in TTG chat room and my first day as a TTG member, and I made some money on my first day. Nice. Solita, nice job. Congrats. Kathy Corson, that's the right thing to do. Kathy Corson says, I'm not testing the waters on options yet. I'm going to master stock charts and indicators first. That's exactly what you should be doing, Kathy. That's the right idea. You guys cannot trade options if you do not understand stocks first. If you cannot conduct technical analysis to some type of, greater than a novice level, okay, if you guys cannot conduct if you guys cannot conduct a technical analysis to a point where you can identify A+ setups on stocks, you guys are never going to be able to trade options successfully. Options are fantastic because they allow you a lot of leverage with a very small amount. So if you have a small account, you guys can capitalize on movements in larger names and in larger stocks, even though you have a small amount. Small cash, and the moves are big, 20, 30, 50, 100, 200% gains in a single day, and an option happens every single day. But with that extra upside does also come extra risk. So you guys have to make sure that you understand the risk that you're trading. And I will never recommend anyone ever starts trading for the first time and they just dive right into options. You have to understand stocks first in order for you to then trade options. So Kathy, you're doing the right thing. Yo, Wes Howard, my boy, 40% today on WWR. Nice job. Nice job. Robert Gonzalez, what trading software do you use? Okay, Robert, so for my trading, I trade with Lightspeed. For my charting, I use TC2000. Okay, I use TC2000, but True Trading Group is currently in the process of implementing TradingView Pro charting software, which is cost hundreds of dollars for if you guys were to buy it on your own separately. It's going to be included with your TTG membership. We're going to be launching that here within the next probably week or so. So if you are a TTG member, you will get the Pro TradingView charting software included for free with your membership. Kishore Swarams, how do you trade Tesla? Very carefully. Very carefully. How do I trade? I trade Tesla the same way that I trade any other stock. I wait for patterns. I wait for setups. I manage my risk. I adjust my position size, and I go after it. No different than I trade anything else. You guys have to understand that, like, trading is not about, necessarily being right or wrong. Trading is about identifying high probability setups and putting yourself on the right side of that probability over and over and over again while still managing your risk to the downside. That is trading. Managing your risk, sticking to your game plan, and identifying those A-plus setups. That's what trading is all about. Okay. Now you will have some stocks that are more volatile than others, but I love high volatility. I like high volatile names. I like volatile stocks. That's my thing. Some people don't like that. And if you don't like it, there's nothing wrong with that. There's no style points in trading. You don't have to worry about making the sexiest trade. I mean, money is money. P&L is P&L. Doesn't matter how you get to it. Doesn't matter if you trade Tesla, if you trade Ford. Okay. As long as you're pulling out money, that's all that matters. It all, trust me, the money can all buy the same stuff. So it doesn't matter how you get it. When it comes to Tesla, the way that I trade Tesla is I just, understand the risk. You have to understand the risk. You have to understand the volatility so you adjust your position size. Because if your position size is not properly accounted, if your position size is not adjusted to the point where you're properly accounting for the risk on the trade, that's how a regular losing trade turns into you getting crushed. You should never have one losing trade just absolutely crush you. If you get crushed and you're like, oh my God, I just got crushed. Like, if that happens to you, that means that one of two things happened, and they're both a mistake on your part. One of two things happens if that happens to you. You either A, did not stick to your stop loss, or B, you had too much position size. If you got crushed on a trade, that's what happened. One of those two things, you didn't stick to your stop loss, or you had too much position size. And averaging down would count as too much position size, okay? Because you're not accounting for the risk. You should maintain consistent risk every single trade. You should say, okay, what's a dollar amount that you're comfortable risking per trade? Let's say that number is $500. If you're comfortable risking $500, then every single trade you make, you need to be risking $500. And you take your stop loss, depending on the chart pattern. If you buy a stock at $5 and say your stop loss is $4.50, okay, I'm just making up an example. Whatever the stop loss is based on the pattern, you adjust your position size so that if you get stopped out, you lose 500. And you make sure that you lose 500 over and over and over again on your losing trades. If you were to plot your P&L on a graph and we took little green dots and we put little green dots for your winning trades, and then we put little red dots for your losing trades, and then we took a step back and we looked at that chart, the top of your chart, your winning trades, should look like a mountain range. The bottom of your chart, which are your losing trades, should look like a valley or a river. Your losing trades should be all really close together, okay? Your winning trades are going to be all over the place. Let's say your risk is $500 per trade. Your losing trades should look like this: 550, 526, 492, 515, 470, 570, 510, 522, 478, 465, 497, 502. That's what your losing trades should look like. But your winning trades should look like this: 550, 610, 250, 890, 1100, 110, 340, 760, 587, 812, 1000, 1200, 60, 340. Your wins should be all over the place. And the reason for that is because you cannot control, you have no control over how much money you're going to make in a trade. Because the profit you're going to make in a trade is going to be determined on how much follow through you get on that move. When you identify a trade setup, you're going to have profit targets. I have 3 profit targets when I identify a trade. Profit target 1, 2, 3. And when profit target 1 is reached, I sell 25% of my position. When profit target 2 is reached, I sell 50%. When profit target 3 is reached, I sell the final 25%. Now, depending on which profit target is reached is going to affect my P&L on that trade. So that's based on follow through and continuation. You don't have control over that. You stick to your game plan. When your profit targets are reached, you act. What you can control is how much you're going to lose if you're wrong. Because if you get stopped out, you know exactly how much you're going to lose. 500, if we're using the same example that we just discussed. You need to make sure that every single one of your losing trades is consistent like that. Your losing trades cannot look like this. 550, 720, 300, 1200, 650, 710, 540, 480, 1300, 570. Your losing trades can't look like that. If your losing trades look like that, you will never, ever be consistently profitable. Because if your losing trades are bigger than your winning trades, and I just had a one-on-one today about this, and it's funny that we're actually talking about this. You're never going to be profitable, ever. Your average win has to be bigger than your average loss, because if it's not, then you're putting too much pressure on yourself to have to be right 60, 65, 70, 75% of the time in order for you to make money. And it shouldn't be that way. You've got to make sure that you can make money if you're 50, 55, 58, 60% trader. You don't want to force yourself to have to be a 70% trader win rate wise, accuracy wise, in order for you to be making money. Okay. And if your losing trades are bigger than your winning trades, like if you make 3 winning trades and you make 500, 600, 650, and those are your 3 winning trades, and you take 1 loss and it's 1200. Well, you're never going to get anywhere because you're constantly going to be taking 2 steps forward and 3 steps back, 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. And you're going to be trading for a year, 2 years. You're still not going to be making any money, and you're going to get frustrated. You're going to get upset, and you're going to feel like, what the hell am I doing? And it's not necessarily because you're a bad trader, it's just that your risk management is off. Your risk management is just straight up wrong. And if you don't get this part of trading down, I'm telling you, just break down the statistics. You're never going to be profitable that way. If you're a 60% trader, you make 10 trades, 6 of them are winners, 4 of them are losers. On the 6 that are winners, you make $1,000. That's $6,000. On the 5, okay, on the 5 that are, on the 4 that are losses, okay, on the 4 that are losses, let's say you lose 1,500. You're not profitable. You're not profitable. Even though you're a 60% win rate trader, you're not profitable. So now you're putting the pressure on yourself to have to be right 65, 70%. If you're right 70% of the time, now you're talking pro trader stats. Guys, my win rate will be in the 70 to 75 range is my win rate, 70 to 75%. That's my win rate. So now you're putting pressure on yourself now to have a win rate close to or equal to mine just to be profitable. You can't do that. If you are a 70% win rate trader, you should be doing this full time. You shouldn't be just getting by and just becoming profitable. You should be earning a living if you get to a 70% win rate. Okay, so that's why it's important that you guys maintain that risk management. I don't even know how I ended up going down this path on this topic because I don't remember what the original question. I don't remember what the original question was, but I don't care because that was a really good topic and it was a really good lesson, and a lot of people on this live stream needed to hear it. So I hope that helps. JD, that is amazing, my brother. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. JD says, this is my first month. I'm 78% win rate. Oh my God, JD, I'm so proud of you, man. JD and I just had a one-on-one a few months ago, and he was, if I'm not mistaken, JD, you were like 60 to 65. I think when we did our one-on-one, I think you were 60 to 65% win rate, and now you're up to 78. That's absolutely incredible, brother. I am so damn proud of you guys. JD is one of our original TTG members. He's been with us for like 3 years. He's been with us for about 3 years, and JD is a lifetime TTG member. And I am so happy to have him part of the group. He participates. He works hard as hell. He studies. And when he first started, he was like a 48% win rate, and now he's up to 78%. JD, absolutely incredible, brother. I am so damn proud of you, man. I am so damn proud of you. Good shit. JD, good shit, man. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Great job, man. Great job. Really, really great job. That's incredible. How do you keep track of your trade? Well, we have a journal on the website. So on True Trading Group, we have a trade history tab where myself and the other moderators, it's a journal of all of our trades, so you guys can track all of our performance. But if you want to track your own, you just keep a journal. You know, you're winning trades, you're losing trades, you just keep a journal and you figure out what your win rate is. All right, guys, I'll take maybe one more question. All right, guys, I'll take one more question, and then we're going to start the good stuff. Shinobi. Thank you, man. That's really nice. Shinobi says, True Trading Group, I'm not a member of TTG, but I just want to let you know that you've been a real encouragement for me to stay on track and be patient with the learning process. Thank you for all you do. It's my absolute pleasure. That's why I do this, because it should not be impossible for people to get a quality professional education when it comes to this. That's why I do this for you guys. Johnson says, do you guys mostly do options? No, we don't mostly do options. I'm predominantly a stock trader. I trade stocks mostly. We do have option specific traders in chat. So like the Wolf trades options and cannabis stocks. Chris Toner also trades options. Myself and Jay Downing, we trade stocks. I also trade options, but I'm predominantly a stock trader that also trades options. All right. Yes, the Yankees are up 2-1. Thank you, Joseph Torres, my man. Guys, listen, whenever there's an update on the Yankee game, you let me know in chat, okay? You guys let me know. All right, guys. All right, guys, good stuff. All right, so that wraps it up there for our Q&A. I give plenty of time for some people to log on. And now I'm excited. I'm excited to get into this live stream with you guys, because this is going to be a good one. We're going to be talking about a lot of really, really great stuff. We're going to talk about how to identify strong support levels and what does confirmation look like? When you hear so many traders talk about wait for confirmation, you're like, what the hell does confirmation mean? How do I know when I've received confirmation? I'm going to show you tonight on this live stream what confirmation looks like and how you can identify the strong support level, then identify the confirmation so you can pull the trigger decisively, confidently, definitively, and be able to profit from moves off of those support levels. That's what I'm going to show you guys here tonight on this live stream. But before I show you a single solitary thing, I want each and every single one of you to smash that like button for me, man. Smash that like button, guys. Show me how much you appreciate these live streams. If you are excited to learn what does confirmation look like, if you are excited to learn what does a strong support level look like, smash that like button for me right now. Let's go, guys. We've got About 700 people right now that are watching this live stream. I want all of you right now to smash that like button. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Keep smashing, guys. Stoneball, don't break your mouse. Stoneball says I smashed it 100 times. Don't break your mouse. William Robson says, holy crap, the likes just blew through resistance. Guys, keep going. I want 50 more. Let's go. You guys are excited to learn about how to identify strong support. If you're excited to learn what this confirmation look like, let's go. Smash that like button, guys. I want 50 more, baby. Let's go. Massimo, my man, smashed it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You guys are the best. All right, what we're going to do now, it's time to take some attendance, time for a roll call. What I want you guys to do right now, if you are not a member of True Trading Group, I want to see who we have in here with us tonight. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, I want you guys to type TTG in chat right now. If you are not a member of True Trading Group, type TTG in chat right now. All right, JJ Gems, William Bernhardt, Alejandro Wong, Sal Rizzo, Sebastian, Jose, Stefan, Vadla, Shrockwell, Shinobi, Robert Gonzalez, Stez Gaming, Greedy, Ann, Arhinder, Get Cheap Beer, Jart Loxley, Jonathan, Jeff, Stephen Wilbur, Joshua Friedman, James Rivas, James Barker, Steve Wakeman, Jay Shmee, Raz69, Sahil Macher, Carrie, Danny Franklin, Jorge Ahumada, Parker's Aquatics, Luis Flores, Vidyadar, Shafiqur Riemann, Stephen Wilbur, Donovan Murphy, Jart Loxley, Stephen Tafano, Kevin Torres, Albert Yemenez, Iqbal A, Straight Ballin, Around the Bush Productions, Robert Gonzalez, Giovanni Mizzi, Faye Valdez, Darnell, Ali, Richard Tomlin, Raynard Pettigrew, Oliver North, I like your style, says TTG. Not yet. I like your style. Jeff Fuller, Carrie B. Branton. Beautiful. Charlie B. Keys, Nando Baez, I'm sorry, Nando. Gary Mangelson, Kohamar Dragon. All right, guys, we got a lot of fresh faces in here. If you are not yet a member, welcome, 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 welcome. I'm glad to have so many of you with me here tonight on this live stream because we've got so much information that we're going to talk about. We got so much education that I'm going to share with you guys here tonight. And it's just really, it's the tip of the iceberg. But this is what we need. This is what professional technical analysis looks like. And this is what you guys are going to need to become consistent profitable traders. What I want now that we've got a feel for who we have with us here tonight that's not a member of True Trading Group, what I want to know now is how many of you here are members of our TTG3 trial program. If you are a member of our 7-day trial program, that's our TTG3 trial program. If you are a member of our trial, I want you to type the number 3 in chat right now. All right, Nestor Quam, Iqbal, Vadla, Kelly Twiz, GSM. Alejandro Wong, if your trial just ended, send us an email. If your trial just ended, send us an email. Send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com if your guys' trial just ended. Faye Valdez, Katira Karami, GSM, Ron Redmond. Dwayne So Real. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, good guys. They're cool. So we have a couple of members here that are part of our TeachD3 trial program. We got a bunch of new faces here that are just joining the TeachD fam for the very first time. Now what I'd like for you guys to do real quick before we get things started, before we get things underway, give me a follow on Twitter, guys. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter at MikeEdward_TTG. It's right there is my username at MikeEdward_TTG. Okay, you guys want to give me a follow on Twitter. I'm constantly posting, my thoughts on the market. I'm posting trade recaps. I'm posting educational stuff. I'm posting motivational stuff. I'm posting my thoughts, trade ideas, some funny stuff, some testimonials. I'm always posting some really cool stuff on Twitter. So you guys want to make sure you give me a follow. Again, it's at MikeEdward_TTG. All right, so you guys make sure you go ahead and give me a follow. Now, let me just explain to you, we have a lot of new faces that are here joining us here tonight. I'm going to get into first real quick for a couple of minutes before I talk about how to identify strong support levels and what does confirmation look like, because that's going to be the technical analysis lesson that's going to help you guys become profitable as early as tomorrow. You guys are going to be able to implement this lesson in your trading tomorrow to catch some of these high probability trades. I want to explain to you guys real quick kind of who I am and what you guys get when you join True Trading Group full time. My name is Michael Edward. I'm the head trader of True Trading Group, and I began my trading career working for a hedge fund in New York City. We managed about just under $500 million. Okay, there's a lot of new faces that are here on this live stream. So 2 minutes of your time, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about myself. While working at that hedge fund, I went through a 3-month educational training program that taught me everything that it is that I implement in my trading today. I did not figure this stuff out on my own. I didn't learn it in my mother's basement. I didn't spend years of research. I was taught how to become a consistently profitable trader by consistently profitable traders on Wall Street. Multi-millionaire traders are the people that were teaching me how to trade. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I'm humble enough to say that. Okay, but that education that I received working at that hedge fund and the mentorship that I received allowed me to go on to receive a Trader of the Year award in 2008 and become one of the youngest junior portfolio managers at my fund. Okay, every single thing that it is I implement in my trading today stems from the education, the experience that I learned working at the hedge fund. When you guys join True Trading Group, you are getting access to a simplified version of the same education that I received working at a hedge fund. Okay, when you join True Trading Group, you are getting daily access to our trading chat room that opens at 7:30 a.m., closes at 6:30 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, excluding market holidays, where you are going to be able to see my screen as I share my screen, as well as the other moderators in chat. We share our screen with our members live. So you see exactly what we're doing in real time. You'll see exactly what I'm looking at, and I'm live on the microphone talking to you every step of the way, just like I'm talking to you now. I'm on the microphone telling you what I see, what I think is going to happen next, what I feel about this stock, that stock, where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where's my stop loss. I walk you through my trades step by step, every single step of the way. You guys can ask all TeachD members that are on this live stream right now. If you are a TeachD member, guys, sound off in chat, verify what I'm saying is true. I come on the microphone and I tell you that I'm buying a stock before I actually buy it. I tell you that I'm selling a stock before I actually sell it. Okay? And we're also giving out real-time trade alerts. So I will tell you guys, I'm a buyer here, I'm taking profits here, okay? But then when I actually execute my trade and I get my fill, a push notification pops up in chat with a little audio with an audio ding that lets you know that one of the moderators entered or exited a trade. Okay, collectively right now as a group between myself, Jason the Wolf, Weed Street, Spatafora, Jay Downing, Chris Toner, our moderators in chat right now. We are currently sporting just under an 80% win rate. We're right around the 78, 79% win rate as a group right now amongst all the moderators. All of our trade history is available on the website on your member dashboard where you can track all of our trade history. Okay, you guys can see the winners, the losers, the good, the bad, the sexy, the ugly. Okay, all of it is there for you to see. We're fully transparent in TTG. You also get access to a 15-course curriculum. This is the kicker right here, guys, because you are getting access to the entire True Trading Group curriculum. That is the same information, the same education that I received working at a hedge fund, just a simplified version of it that I created, and I wrote these courses, and they're available on the website for you all. You are getting access to beginner and stock trading foundation courses, advanced stock trading courses, beginner option trading, advanced option trading, intro to swing trading, trader psychology part 1 and part 2, how to trade during a market crash. You get access to all of these courses, okay, included for free with your membership. There's no upsell ever. We are the Netflix of trading communities, okay? What you pay one price, you get access to everything, okay? There are no upsells in TTG ever. Okay, it's not you sign up, you get a basic course, and then if you want the VIP course or the advanced course, that's an extra $1,000. No, you pay one price, you get access to every single piece of educational content, resource, and tool that we have at our disposal to give you the best chance of becoming the best and most profitable trader that you possibly can. You'll also get access to our trade simulator. Our trade simulator allows you to trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time full book level 2. Okay, so you can trade with fake money while you practice implementing what you learn in the courses, practice trading stocks and options on our simulator. Again, completely free, included with your membership. I recommend if you are a struggling trader or you're a brand new trader, do not start trading with real money right out of the bat. Go through the courses, spend time in chat, trade on the simulator, practice implementing what you've learned, and prove to yourself that you can be profitable with fake money before you switch over to real money and begin trading like that within real money coming out of our simulator. You'll also get access to our stock screener. The stock screener is going to allow you to focus your attention and stay trading the hottest, most profitable stocks throughout the course of the day. There are thousands of stocks during the day, okay, that you could be paying attention to. And you might say, how do I know what stock to focus on? That's what our stock screener is for, where you can set a specific set of criteria so you know exactly what are the hottest stocks on the day, and you know exactly where to focus your time and energy and trading throughout the course of the trading day. Okay. You also will get access to over 75 hours of workshops and webinars. Okay, over 75 hours of workshops and webinars where myself and other moderators, okay, conduct every month. We're conducting different webinars and workshops on various different topics: trading, stocks, options, mental lessons, risk management, certain sectors, you name it. We cover various topics. You guys will have access to over 75 hours of that free educational content. And as a full-time member, you can also join those live workshops and webinars live, interact with myself, other members, ask questions live. You'll also get access to our stock profile tool. Our profile tool is our due diligence companion for TTG. Okay, this is where you're going to find endless reports on any company you're interested in. You'll be able to download a PDF report. You'll be able to get financial information, stock information, analyst reports. Okay, how many analysts have a buy, sell, hold rating on the stock? All of this is included, guys. You also get access to a free one-on-one mentorship session with one of our moderators in chat. Okay, that will come with your TTG membership. And like I said before about us being the Netflix of trading communities, you pay one price, you get access to everything. When we come out with a brand new course or we add a new resource or tool, it's automatically included in your membership. You don't have to pay more. If I come out with a new course next month, it's not, okay, guys, new course, an extra $300. It's included in your membership already. Okay, like Netflix. When Netflix comes out with a new documentary, they don't ask you to pay an extra $20 to watch the documentary. It's included in your membership. It's content that's included with your membership. Same thing goes when we come out with a new course or resource or tool. It's included. It's content that's included with your membership. A few weeks ago, we came out the live Benzinga Pro newsfeed, where in our chat room, our members are getting live, okay, up to the second breaking news alerts. That a deal that we inked with NASDAQ.com, where we're getting their live Benzinga Pro newsfeed that would cost you hundreds of dollars a year, maybe even $1,000 a year if you paid for it separately. It's included for free with your membership at True Trading Group. You also have a Squawk Box feature in our chat room where someone will verbally read breaking news headlines out to you in our chat room during the day. And this is how our traders and our members are able to stay ahead of everyone else, because we are getting up to the second breaking news alerts. When a stock makes a move, we know about it before others because of that news feed. All of this is included. And now we're coming out with a brand new TradingView Pro charting software that would cost you hundreds of dollars if you were to sign up for TradingView charting software on your own. That will also be included for free with your membership. So when you guys ask about value that you're getting with True Trading Group, you're getting a Benzinga Pro newsfeed, which will cost you hundreds of dollars for the year. You're getting the TradingView Pro charting software that's going to cost you hundreds of dollars for the year. And you're getting the same education that I received working at a hedge fund that managed $500 million on Wall Street. Put a price tag on that. I'd love to hear it because I don't have one. This is what you guys are gaining access to as a member of True Trading Group. Now, usually a membership to True Trading Group, usually a membership to True Trading Group will cost you $2,048 for the year. But now, tonight, up until midnight, you can use coupon code TTG1020. Again, that's TTG1020. That'll get you a 42% discount to bring the price all the way down to $11.85. Up until midnight. Now, let me explain to you guys how the month of October is working, because last month we had a 41% discount, which was $11.98. Tonight, up until midnight, you can get it for $11.85. That's a 42% discount. But the way this coupon code is going to work for the month of November is every single day, the price of the membership is going to go up by a couple bucks. So you can use coupon code TTG1020 for the entire month, but every single day, every 24-hour period, the price of a membership is going to jump a couple bucks. The price of a membership is going to jump a couple bucks. So, I'm sorry, $11.87. Sorry, $11.87. So guys, so like I said, you can use coupon code TTG1020 to get a 42% discount right now by midnight. But after midnight, you can still use coupon code TTG1020, but the price is going to jump by a couple bucks. And so on and so on and so on and so on every single day for the month of October. Until we get into November, which then we'll have a whole different pricing structure there for the month of October. Garen Billick says options decay lesson here, folks. Options decay. So like I said, guys, take advantage of this coupon code, because at midnight, the coupon code does not expire, but the price jumps by a couple bucks, and it will continue to jump every 24-hour period for the month of October. Other exciting thing that I want to share with you for the month of October, we are going to be doing a Halloween username giveaway, where you've heard of costume contests. We are doing a username contest in True Trading Group. So by the end of the month for Halloween, we are going to do a username. I think Friday is October 30th, I believe. So it's mischief night. So Friday, October 30th, we are doing a username contest in True Trading Group, where we're going to be giving away $3,000 to first place, $1,500 to second place, and $500 to third place for the catchiest, funniest, most creative username that is stock trading related or Halloween related or both that you can come up with. What we're going to do is Adam and myself, Adam's my partner on True Trading. You guys saw him last night on the live stream. Our members call him Shug. Adam and I are going to pick like the top 10 that we like the best out of all the usernames that are in chat. Then we're going to take those usernames and we're going to send out a survey to all of our TGD members, and they're going to vote for their favorite username. And first prize is going to get $3,000. Second prize is going to get $1,500. Third prize is going to get $500. So you guys want to make sure that you participate. You guys sign up now with coupon code TTG1020 before the price goes up tomorrow and the day after and the day after and the day after. Make sure you guys are included in that username contest. It's going to be a lot of fun. You've heard of costume contest. This is a username contest. On top of that, we've got a very, very, very busy month of October, because we're also giving away a Tesla Model 3. Every 300 members we get into True Trading Group, we raffle off a Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash, whichever you prefer. We are over 50% of the way there. So probably within the next 1 or 2 weeks, we're going to be raffling off a Tesla Model 3. All you need to do to be included in this raffle is be a member of True Trading Group. If you're not yet a member, make sure you use that coupon code right there, get a 42% discount before the price goes up tomorrow, and get yourself in that raffle for your chance to win a Tesla Model 3 or $30,000 cash. We're more than halfway there. Okay, all you need to do is be a member to be included in that raffle. Also, every single Friday for the month of October is free laptop giveaway. Free Laptop Fridays, what we call it. We raffle off 5 Asus laptops to 5 True Trading Group members every single Friday. So we've got a lot of stuff going on the month of October, a lot of giveaways. We're giving away $3,000, $1,500, and $500 to the top 3 for the username contest. We're giving away a Tesla Model 3, and we're giving away 5 free laptops every Friday. All you need to do to partake in these raffles is to be a member of True Trading Group. Guys, use this coupon code right now. The price is going up at midnight tonight, midnight Eastern time. The price jumps. And then tomorrow, midnight, price jumps again. So I'm telling you guys now, I'm warning you now, the price jumps at midnight. Use this coupon code. Take advantage of this discount while it still lasts. Guys, the other thing that I want to point out to you, I said we've got a real busy month of October, but let's talk about members. Let's talk about progress. Let's talk about profitability. Let's talk about money, right? Because TTG members right now, the average TTG member, 80% of our members are making 7 to 10 times their membership fee back in just the first 6 months of membership. Let me say that again. 80% of our members are making 7 to 10 times their membership fee within the first 6 months. If the membership fee is $11.87 tonight, it won't be tomorrow. Tomorrow, the price is going up. The price is $11.87, and you guys have an 80% chance to make 7 to 10 times that in 6 months. You're talking about $8,000 to $10,000 within the first 6 months of your membership. There's an 80% chance of you doing just that. You also have a chance to win a Tesla, $30,000 cash, okay, $3,000 cash, $1,500 cash, $500 cash, or a laptop. I'm telling you guys right now that you have an 80% chance to invest $11.87 in yourself, get a professional education, knowing that you've got an 80% chance to make 7 to 10 times that membership fee back in the first 6 months of your membership. And 30% of that 80% are making that in 1 month. These are stats that we've taken and we've polled and surveyed our own THD members live in chat. These are the stats. These are the numbers. You would be crazy not to take this deal. Join the THD family. We're going to have so much fun in the month of October. I cannot wait to hand the keys of a Tesla Model 3 to one of my members. I cannot wait. The username contest is going to be a lot of fun too. Oh yeah, and by the way, we're going to be kicking ass, taking names, and making profit on stocks and options throughout the whole month while we're having fun together as a family. Take advantage of this coupon code, guys, before it is too late. Okay? Now, if you are still not ready to join the THD family with everything that I just said to you, everything that you're going to get, all the opportunity that you guys have, you're still not ready, you can try us out for 7 days because we do have a 7-day trial program. It's a one-time payment of $3. Go to ttgthree.com. Sign up. It is a one-time payment of just $3. That's less than a cup of coffee. My Starbucks is $4.50. You guys can join us for 7 days, get access to our member dashboard, see all of our trade history to verify our success yourselves. Join us live in chat for 3 days. Trade with me live. Get access to 3 courses I put together specifically for the THD3 trial program that's guaranteed to help make you a better trader, and get access to our Benzinga Pro newsfeed, and get access to our stock profile due diligence tool. All of that you get for just a one-time payment of $3. You can upgrade to a full membership at any time, but you're under no obligation to do so. It's not a recurring payment. It is a one-time payment of $3. I invite all of you to join ttgthree.com and join us for 7 days, and then you guys be the judge. But now listen, here's the catch. TTG3 members are not included in the username contest. You're not included in the Tesla raffle, and you're not included in the laptop giveaway. Those are specifically for full-time TTG members only. So if you guys want a chance to win a Tesla, a chance to win $30,000 in cash, a chance to win the $3,000, $1,500, $500, or a chance to win a laptop, then use coupon code TTG1020 and get a 42% discount while the price still is down here. Okay, like I said, tomorrow the price is going up by a couple of bucks, and it will continue to do so every day for the month of October. Okay, now it's time to get into the good stuff. All right, now guys, what we're going to do here now, we are going to now get into the lesson of the live stream, which is how to identify strong support. How to identify strong support. How to know that you can trust a support level, you can buy in front of it. What does confirmation look like? Let's get down to business. You know what? Before I do that, because we still have some people on here that have not done so yet, before I get into the lesson of the day, smash that like button for me one more time, guys. Let's go. I want 50 more likes right now. Smash it. Let's go. 50 more likes, and then I'm going to begin this lesson where I'm going to teach you how to identify confirmation and understand what a strong support level looks like. Raising Kane, who's a new member, by the way, just joined a couple weeks ago, says the TGD courses are amazing. I've learned so much in such a very short period of time that would take years by myself to learn, and a lot of mistakes along the way. Thank you for all you do, Mike. Raising Kane, it's my pleasure, man. It's an honor to have you part of the group. Oh yeah, we have members from all over the world, guys. We have members from all over. We have members in Canada, the UK, Singapore, Hong Kong, Australia, the Netherlands, France, Italy, the Philippines. We've got members all over the world, guys. We have members all over the world. All right. All right, guys, now let's get down to business. All right, let's get down to business. All right, guys, now, what we're going to talk about now, like I said on this live stream, all right, guys, what we're going to talk about here on this live stream, again, like I said, the lesson here is going to be how to identify strong support, okay? How to identify strong support, okay? And what does confirmation look like? Now, to do so, let's get down to the chart on NNOX. Now, NNOX, we'll go to the daily chart first. We'll zoom this in. You guys can see NNOX had a monster day on Friday. Look at the volume bar that came in on Friday, heaviest volume since the IPO. And you see this big, big, big gap up, and you got some further extension and follow through. Just a real strong day for NNOX, okay? Real strong day for NNOX on Friday. A lot of members traded this on Friday. Okay, you had a really nice follow through on NNOX late in the afternoon. And then this morning, we had a follow through gap up that gave us beautiful opportunity. Now, this is where we're going to talk about how to identify strong support. If you look back at Friday, you look at Friday's price action, you will see a double top from Friday. Here is your double top resistance from Friday. Okay, so here you can clearly see we have resistance at this 38 and change, like 38.15. Okay, it's like this 38.15 level. Okay, there it is. There's your double top from Friday. Today, we gapped above that level. Okay, now, when you gap above a double top resistance like that, and the stock pulls in off the bell, you look for that prior area to become support. Okay, so that previous resistance, you look for it to become support. All right. But now, how do you know what strong support looks like? Support can hold two different ways. Support can hold two different ways. A support level can hold because of aggressive buying or passive selling. Okay. Now, let me explain to you guys the difference. Aggressive buying is when a stock comes down. Let's say here's your support level. Aggressive buying, stock comes down to a support level, and the buying pressure at the support level is so strong and aggressive that all the buyers that are sitting here waiting, they all jump on top of each other to try to buy the stock as it comes into the support level. That's aggressive buying, and the price action that will result from that is the stock will come down, touch a support level, and quickly get off of it. It quickly gets off of it because the buyers are aggressive, meaning they're jumping over each other to buy the stock, which then therefore pushes the stock higher quickly. That's why the stock will come down, touch the support level, and quickly get off of it. That's a support level holding through aggressive buying. That is a strong support level. Now, a support level can also hold because of passive selling. Passive selling would look like this. Here's your support level. Here comes the stock. We get down to the support level, and then the stock does this. Okay, the stock does this. It sits on top of the support level. It sits on it. And now, yes, the support level's holding, but it's not holding because the buying at that level is aggressive. It's holding because the selling pressure has backed off. The selling pressure has become passive. The selling pressure has slowed. Now, that could potentially be a weaker support level. Okay, you want to look for support levels that hold because of aggressive buying, not because of passive selling. Because the passive selling, if selling speeds up again, that level is going to break. Okay, I like to look for strong support levels. I like to look for aggressive buying. I like to look for stocks that come down, touch support levels, and quickly get off of them. Now, that quickly get off of them price action, that's your confirmation. The other aspect of that that's going to give you confirmation is going to be the volume. Wow, Archangel Loki, that is absolutely incredible. Archangel Loki says, guys, I have not had a red day since I finished the Advanced Indicators course. Boom. Boom. Archangel Loki, that is incredible. Congratulations, my brother. That's not luck. That is you learning. That's real progress. That's real development. And guess what? That's real money. Congratulations, guys. If you want to experience the progress and the success that Archangel Loki is having, use coupon code TTG1020. That's TTG1020. It is right there at the bottom of your screen. Get a 42% discount before the price goes up at midnight. Every single day at midnight for the month of October, the price is going to jump a couple of bucks. Okay, so moving on. Okay, confirmation is that price action when the stock comes down to that support level, quickly gets off of it, and you also look for an increasing volume. Because if the buyers there are aggressive, okay, volume is going to pick up because all the buyers are coming in to buy the stock. So the volume is going to pick up. The passive selling is going to come down and the volume is going to actually slow down. The volume is going to slow down because all the sellers are taking a breather, but there's no strong buyers coming in to buy the stock. So the volume actually decreases. These are things you can look for to help you say, this is a strong support level. That's a weaker support level. Which one of these setups do I want to buy? Now, when we talk about identifying A-plus setups, you want to focus on the strong support level. The strong support level, once you identify it, it gives you confidence to say, I can buy in front of this level now. And that is exactly what happened with NNOX. Guys, pay very close attention to the lesson that I'm going over with you because this is something that you are going to learn from instantly and you can implement in your trading tomorrow. This is a golden nugget of information that I'm taking the time to share with you for free. This is a fraction. This is a tip of the iceberg of the technical analysis and the lessons that you will learn as a member of True Trading Group going through all of my courses. But I like to give all this information out to you to help you guys become better traders. Okay, so now here we go when you guys are looking at, but this is 10 or 15% of what you guys will get access to when you join the course, join the family full time, you get access to all the courses. Okay, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Be like Archangel Loki. He hasn't had a red day since he completed the Advanced Indicators course. That's absolutely incredible. That's a testament to the education. Now, let's zoom this in, okay? We've already talked about the support level the previous resistance level we had here at yesterday's double top high around 38.15. So I'm looking for that to become an area of support. Now today we gap up and look, we gap up and pull in, but where do we pull into? We pull right down into yesterday's double top high, which also lined up with this teal line on my screen. You see this teal line? Guys, that's the trade line. So now I've got Friday's double top high, okay, previous resistance, now we're acting as support that also lines up with the trade line, another support indicator, okay? But where is my confirmation? Right there. There's my confirmation, guys. Look at how fast the stock shot off of this level. Look how quickly we bounced off that level. Okay, look how quickly we bounce off that level. Now let me show you guys. I'm going to take you all the way to a 1 minute chart just to prove the point. Okay, I'm taking you to a 1 minute chart. Okay, I don't trade off 1 minute charts, but I'm taking you to the 1 minute chart just so you can see how fast this stock shot off of that support level. This is what confirmation looks like. This is what a strong support level looks like. Pay attention. You see the stock gaps up and pulls in right into that previous resistance, and we get down and look what we have here. We test that support level and look at the price action off that support level. You see that strong, definitive green candle pop on that 1 minute candle? The stock didn't stay on that support level. We didn't sit there. The stock didn't sit here and do this. Did it? No. It shot off that level quickly. That, to me, that was all the confirmation I needed. That was the price action I needed. That was this that we talked about a few minutes ago. That was this. That was all I needed to see to say, there's my strong support level. I now can have confidence buying in front of this level. Now, let me take you guys back to the 3 minute chart. Okay, that was all the confidence I needed, and I got long right there. I believe 38.94. Actually, let me go to my actual executions. I'm gonna give you guys the exact. I give you guys the exact price. $38.94 at 9:42 a.m. So there you are, 38.94, getting long right off that bounce of that support level. And the rest is history, guys. Look at this beautiful move in NNOX. And I just start peeling profits off the table. Okay, there was my first take profit. There's my second take profit. I'll take you guys back. 40.24, 41.23. Then 20 minutes later, 42.79. Okay, right there, 42.79. For my third take profit and my last final take profit right there. Last final take profit at 43.89. Okay, so again, let's zoom this back in. Again, there's the entry, first, second, third, fourth, and final take profit. This was an absolute thing of beauty, a beautiful trade, very, very stress-free. This stock never went against me at any point during this trade. We got real nice trade line support on the crossover. We then got VWAP support on the consolidation. And then you got your beautiful follow through to what took you all the way up to $45 from that 38.94 entry. This is a beautiful, beautiful trade. Okay, just an absolute beautiful trade. But it all goes back to being able to identify the strong support level. Being able to say to myself, okay, I'm already looking for there to be support here. That's the key. You guys have to understand, I'm looking for there to be support there. 38.15, I'm saying that's double top resistance from Friday. I'm expecting that to be support today. Once I saw the trade line come up at that area as well, and then I saw that price action, I said, there's my confirmation. You can't have confirmation. Oops, I just didn't mean to do that. You can't have confirmation without you having a plan at that level. Okay, so when I look and I say, okay, guys, this is a potential support level, I'm going to now look for confirmation. That's exactly what I did. I said, this is a potential support level. So now let me look for some type of confirmation. That price action was my confirmation. That is how you guys can identify strong support levels, okay, that you can trust to buy in front of. That is the entire point of this lesson, is for you guys to be able to say, this is a strong support level, Okay, this is a strong support level. I can trust it. I'm going to buy in front of it. I'm going to get long, and you look for the follow through move, and that's exactly what we got today in NNOX. Okay. Now, does anybody have any questions specifically about NNOX and what I just talked about? How did I find this stock to trade? Well, it was on my watch list because of the move it had on Friday. Friday was one of your top gainers, so I left it on my watch list today. Can you talk about setting a stop loss? Yeah, it's on your trading platform. Now, I don't know what trading platform you're using. If you're unfamiliar with how to set certain orders, I highly recommend D2008HS. I highly recommend you call your broker tomorrow and you have them walk you through how to use all of the different order types, because you can have a stop limit, you can have a trailing stop, you can have a stop on quote. There's different types of stop losses that you can use. Stop orders or stop on quote orders will turn your sell into a market order once it's triggered. A stop limit will turn your order into a limit order once your stop is triggered. I do not recommend you use stop limits. I recommend you use stops or stop on quotes. Depending on your platform, it'll say one of the above. But I highly recommend you contact your broker and ask them to show you how to set that order. I can't walk you through that because I don't know what trading platform you have. I trade on Lightspeed. You mean I'd be able to show you that, but anybody else have any other questions? Nope, that's a 13% gain, Jorge. That's a 13% gain, which is a lot for a $40 stock. Our Hirsch, my stop was if we made a new low of the day. So we made a new low of the day. We broke below that support level. That was my stop loss. Why not trade NNOX options? You can trade options on it if you want. I prefer to trade the stock as long as it has the movement. I have the account to trade the stock. If you have a small account, you can trade options on it. That's not a problem. No, I don't think there's any future for top ships, no. Nice, Mr. Shy to you. Beautiful. Said he caught square exactly the way I just explained the support level. It bounced off support. He got in 786 on 5 call options. Beautiful. Nice job. What made me choose the stock? Well, it was on my watch list. This was one of the top gainers on Friday. NNOX had a huge day on Friday. It was one of the top gainers. So usually what I'll do, guys, I'll roll stocks forward on my watch list. So if a stock like NNOX, which is a mid-cap name, if that stock is on my watch list on Friday, or if it's a top gainer Friday, I'll see what it does the following day. Nice. Pungza says, NNOX got me my membership fee back today. You guys remember what I said to you earlier? Remember what I said to you earlier? How I said 80% of True Trading Group members are making 7 to 10 times their membership fee back in the first 6 months of their trading, of their membership? Remember what I said there? Well, Pungza, who just signed up, I think 1 week ago, already made his membership fee back. Already made his membership fee back. So again, guys, take advantage of that coupon code. Does anybody have any other questions? Anybody have any other questions about NNOX, or anybody have any other questions about identifying strong support levels? Anybody have any questions about what I just talked about? Not a general question. If you have a question about what I just discussed. Mike, how do you roll an option forward and is it worth doing? Yeah, it's worth doing depending on the trade. If you think your timing is just off, in order to, now your broker should have an option to roll the option and should have a choice to roll the option forward, where it'll simultaneously buy and sell. It'll simultaneously sell your option and roll it over, and then buy whatever you're rolling it over into. Essentially, all you're doing is selling the one option and buying the next. That's all you're doing. But you should be able to do it simultaneously, so you don't, any price slippage. By the time you sell it and buy it manually, there should be an option. There should be an option for you to choose to roll it forward, which will do it simultaneously for you. Frank Berardo says, what's your trade line? It is the 9 exponential moving average that does not have pre-market data. I do not include pre-market data. It is the 9 exponential moving average. Thank you, Gus. I'm ready to kick ass tomorrow too, brother. Ready to kick ass tomorrow too. Well, Dennis, your size is always going to matter. Dennis says that your size matter with such strong support. Your size will always matter. Your size needs to be calculated based on your stop loss. So if you said your stop loss was, let's say, 38.10, and you're buying the stock at 38.94, okay, your position size needs to be such that if you do get stopped out, that you are losing a dollar amount that you're comfortable with. What time do I wake up? Around 6:30 Eastern time. I wake up around 6:30 Eastern time. All right, guys. All right, cool. So no other questions. No other questions about the lesson. So like I said, guys, just another reminder. Okay, Mike, when you scan, what settings you use? Can you? Yeah, guys, my scanner. I don't have anything crazy on my scan. Like it's not like people always ask me about my scan. Like I don't, it's nothing crazy. I just use a leading gap scan, which will be. I use a leading gap scan, which just shows me the stocks that are gapping up the most and gapping down the most on the day. And then 10 times average volume and new high of the day. That's it. I don't think NNOX is going to be that great tomorrow. I think it might take a breather tomorrow. WRR, I think $10 resistance is going to hold, but we'll see. It's still on watch for tomorrow. David Padilla, a TTG family faithful, says, yo, what up, Mike? I just got here. Start over, please. You guys are always busting me, man. You guys are always busting me. Yes, I do have hair. I actually have a lot of hair. I have a lot of hair. People think I'm bald because I always wear a hat, but no, I'm a baseball player my whole life. I'm so used to wearing hats. Everyone, look, who is this guy without a hat? What's my take on the SPY now that Trump is out of the hospital? I don't think Trump's health really has all too much to do with the markets going forward. I think you're going to have more stimulus. Is going to move the markets more. What do I do for my biceps? I just work out, man. That's it. I just go to the gym. I do need a pizza hat, like the Green Bay Packer cheese hats. Judy, I'm down for like a softball game when we have our TTD retreat, a TTD softball game. I'm so down. So down. All right, guys. All right, guys. So listen up. Okay. Oh, Johnny B. I was a shortstop early on, but I was a center fielder. I was actually an All-American center fielder. Fun fact that not many people know about me. I was an All-American center fielder. All right, guys. So, guys, listen up real quick. Guys, the coupon code that is available on your screen right now. Okay. You guys, if you want to become part of the TTG team full time, use the coupon code TTG1020 that's on your screen right now. That coupon code is going to get you a 42% discount. Okay, it's going to give you a 42% discount on a one-year membership. A one-year membership is usually $2,048. This coupon code will get it to you for $1,187. But here's the deal: for the entire month of October, that coupon code is valid. But every single day, the price is going to go up a couple bucks. Okay, so midnight, every single day, that coupon code will be valid. But every day at midnight, the price is going to jump a couple bucks each time. So you guys do not want to wait till the end of the month. You guys want to jump, act now, use coupon code TTD1020 because we have a lot going on this month. We're giving away a Tesla Model 3 in 1 or 2 weeks. You guys want to make sure that you are a member of True Trading Group so you are included in that raffle. All you need to do is be a member. Be a member, use that coupon code, be a member, and you will be included in the raffle for a Tesla Model 3. If you don't want the Tesla, you'll get $30,000 in cash. The choice is yours. $30,000 or a Tesla Model 3, the choice is yours. Okay? We're also giving away 5 laptops every single Friday of the month of October. Again, all you need to be is a member in order to be included in that raffle. And the end of October, we're doing a username contest where we are going to select the top 3 stock and Halloween and creative usernames in chat. Everyone's going to change their username for the day. And Adam and myself are going to select our top favorite usernames. And then we are going to send a survey to all of our members in chat. And the members are going to pick the 1, 2, and 3 first, second, and third place prizes. First place prize gets $3,000. Second place prize gets $1,500. Third place prize gets $500. Okay, that's going to be a lot of fun this month of October. You guys want to make sure you join now to give yourself an opportunity to take advantage of all these raffles and all these giveaways. In addition to those giveaways, you guys are going to get access to our chat room daily from 7:30 a.m. until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you will see my screen and hear me on the microphone live, breaking down for you everything that I'm doing every single step of the way. You guys will be able to follow along with all of my trade alerts. I'm not a scalper. My trades last several minutes to several hours long, sometimes several days. You'll get a real-time push notification. Sent to you in chat whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade. Okay. You will also be able to use our mobile app. Our mobile app is downloadable on Android and iPhone, which will allow you to, if you're not in front of your computer, you can still follow along with what it is that we're trading and view our screen share and listen to the audio analysis and get real-time push notifications sent directly to your cell phone or tablet. You'll also get access to our trade simulator so you can practice trading stocks and options. You're going to get access to our stock screener. You're going to get access to our stock profile due diligence tool. You're going to get access to over 75 hours of workshops and webinars, the chance to participate in workshops and webinars live, a free one-on-one mentor session with the pro moderator. You guys are going to get access to all of this included in your membership. So make sure you use coupon code TTG1020 to take advantage of this discount before it's too late. How many non-TTG members do we still have here joining us on this live stream? If you are still not a TTG member and you're not joining tonight with TTG1020 coupon code, I want you guys to type TTG in chat right now. I want to see a quick show of hands. How many of you are not a member of True Trading Group? Type TTG in chat real quick. Frank Berardo, Noble, Landon, Justin, Shafikor, Sal, Rizwan, DJ Smile, Massimo, Alejandro, Alex, Di Santiago, Lydia Kovaleva, Nice Man 357, Jan N, Ali. We have a lot of non-TGD members that are still not taking advantage of that coupon code. What I want to do, listen, if you guys are not yet ready to join the TGD team full time, I want you guys to go to ttgthree.com and join us for a week. Okay, go to ttgthree.com, join us for a 7-day trial. You're going to get access to 3 days in chat to trade with me live. You're going to get access to 3 courses that are guaranteed to help make you guys better traders. And it's just a one-time payment of $3. One-time payment of $3. That's it. You are under no obligation to join. You could upgrade to a full membership at any point during your trial. But after 7 days, if you don't upgrade, it'll just expire. No reoccurring payment. It's a one-time payment of just $3. Okay. So again, guys, go to tgdthree.com, get your butts in chat with me tomorrow, because that 7-day trial is going to get you 3 days in chat with me live. So you guys want to make sure that you go to the site, tgdthree.com. Join if you're not ready for the full membership. Try the trial and get your butts in chat with me tomorrow and get ready to learn, trade, and profit. And let's kick some ass and take some names tomorrow. Today was a great day. Good way to start the week with NNOX. $4 a share on that final take profit. I'll take it. It was a beautiful day. Members capitalized on it. It all goes back to identifying strong support and looking for confirmation. I hope this lesson helps. Okay. I hope this lesson helps. This is a really good lesson. This is some real golden nuggets, some diamonds in the rough education that I'm giving to you guys completely for free. So if you have not done so already, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. If you're ready to join the team full time, use coupon code TTG1020 before the price goes up at midnight. It's going to go up at midnight. Every single day in the month of October, the price is going to jump a couple bucks every single day. So if you guys are ready, pull the trigger now, use coupon code TGD1020 and enter the raffles for the Tesla, the laptops, and the username contests for Halloween. All right. With that said, guys, you guys were great. Excellent live stream tonight. Really educational. I hope this helps. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Join me later live on the stream. We'll be doing this probably again tomorrow night. I'll see you guys later. Get your butts in chat tomorrow. For those of you that are getting ready to join the TGD3 trial program, I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Later, guys. Thanks for joining me. Have a great night.